just not a fan of eggs.
Oh, you still don't want the egg? It's good though. It's nice Taiwanese special. It looks so good. It looks so good. I'm gonna mix it. Oh wow! Thank you so much.
Do I get a straw too, or is this fuck me?
Just one straw?
What it looks like.
So I guess I'll just drink directly.
Fuck you, you only get one straw. Not gonna lie, it kind of looks like detergent.
Oh, you don't need to say it like that.
It probably tastes good though.
Yeah, let me try. Yeah, it tastes good. Tastes like fresh taro. I'm gonna mix my ramen. That's a really big bowl though.
Yeah, it's probably just rice.
How much was it?
It was like 15.
Oh, that's not bad. Looks nice though. Is the kitty? Oh, that's not for us. Looks really good. Soup's ready. Sauce. Chicken wing. Breads and mochi. Fish. Eggs. Vegetables. And meat. Emily. Taiwanese cute. On the other side.
Yeah, I know. And all the small people are sitting here. Didn't you have another one?
Yeah.
Take a photo of it.
Oh, nice. Why do they have this frog like every like Korean restaurant? Full? Oh. Really? No, yours look more full than mine. But you didn't believe me. Looks really good. Does look really cute.